has to be this viral. Okay, so moving to the last one. Okay, so moving. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas 2024. So in today's video, it's gonna be my favorite haul, that too jewelry. So this time I shopped quite a lot of jewelries. All are oxidized silver jewelry right there, and I have tried a new brand which is called as Janjaria. So this is I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So this is how their packaging look like. So I recently received this parcel. Okay, so let me give you a little bit of backstory. So basically this is a Instagram page, and I recently came across, I know many of you guys have been seeing this kind of Instagram page जहाँ पर बहुत ही सुंदर oxidized jewelries मिलते हैं. And when I went to their page, I saw this ad was going on. So there has this sale where you can purchase 5 products for ₹1,000. I thought, let me give it a try. It's a steal deal kind of situation going on right there. So I have purchased 5 products, and those are like beautiful. So all these products which I have gotten are beautiful one, and also the viral from their page as I have seen. So if you guys are interested to know what I got, and this time I got some interesting stuff as well, so please do carry on watching this video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time, and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos, and without any further delay, now let's get quickly jump into the video. Okay, so this is how my packaging looks like. So let me open it quickly. So these are all we have right here going on in this parcel. Now let me show you quickly what I have got. So the first I have is this beautiful ring right here. Is how it look like, and wow, the build-up quality of this one is so beautiful. So this is how it look like on my hand, and yeah, so beautiful. Every prices and everything, what the name is, you will be getting on the screen itself. And this is the first one. I like it. So I got earrings as well as this kind of ring. So this is the first one I have. Absolutely beautiful. This has this tiny little, you know, going on. क्या बोलते हैं उसको, जो भी है, hanging. So I love this first one. Very cute and looks awesome. And it has this adjustable kind of situation going on. You can really adjust according to your finger and wear it in any finger for that matter. So first one I have is this. Okay, so moving to the next one, I have this beautiful earrings going on. It's a fish kind of details. How pretty are they? So this is a fish wala earring we have going on right here. Absolutely love it. मैं इसको पहन के दिखाती हूँ how it looks like on me. Wow, ये Indians के साथ, Indian wear के साथ कितना ही अच्छा जाएगा. It's a very big and sturdy ones. Yeah. So this is how it basically look like. Love it. So good. I love it. These are this minimal as well as ये उतना ज़्यादा heavy नहीं है on your ears, but at the same time like proper sturdy ones. I like this kind of oxidized jewelry. Also, this is the first time I'm shopping from any online platform, that too for oxidized jewelry. Love it. So yeah. Okay, so next is another finger ring we have right here. So let me open it. Wow. This is also their viral ones. Okay, so this is how the finger rings look like. It's a kind of a tricky one. You can wear it like this. Matlab you have to wear it like this rather to say. I say it will join 2 fingers. और बहुत सुंदर सा लगता है. And yeah, somehow like this maybe. Here you go. So this is how pretty they look. Let me remove this. You will understand more. Oh, wait. Yeah, now see. This is how pretty my hands. So how pretty my hands look. Oh my god, I love this one. Having said that, I got almost each one for ₹200. So I think it's awesome, a steal deal. Do consider it. So उनके website पे अभी भी ये sale चल रहा है. So if you wanna grab some beautiful, amazing stuff, so you can really consider buying from them. Okay, so next I have this another beautiful earring, one of the vital earrings for that matter, and these are this beautiful studs going on, right? This is how pretty they are. Beautiful. मैं पहन के दिखाती हूँ how it looks on me. Yeah. How big and oh wow, it's so beautiful. The fish one is heavier than this, but then also it's like a sturdy, good quality one. देखने में ही पता चलता है how beautiful they are. Oh my, this looks stunning. Having said that, I have this round face. This looks very beautiful on my face. So absolutely love this one. I'm really happy with the purchases, I think, and I really want to go back and shop more and see what they have to offer me. So yeah, these are the beautiful ones. So if you want to try yourself to see how qualities they offer, you can definitely consider buying in this sale and you will love it, I'm sure. So yeah, these are how beautiful. Love it. So yeah, love it. Okay, so moving to the last piece of today's haul has to be this vital earring going on their side. I have seen this earring, particular this one, on so many pages. Having said that, this is, I think, one of their originals. I don't know for that matter, but anyways, this is a beautiful earring. Let me show you now. So here we go. Aren't they? Tell you. So this is how pretty they are. So this is how it look like. So stunning. It's so beautiful. I don't know how to show, but this beautiful are they. Oh my god, let me wear it. These are quite heavy ones, to be true, but yeah, this is so beautiful, stunning. Oh, I love it, love it. I need to go ahead and purchase some heavy stuffs from theirs as well. So yeah, can you hear the sound? I hope you can hear it. It's so beautiful. ऐसे में जब चलूँगी, it will mix up. Oh my god, so beautiful, so feminine. So yeah, let me remove it and take the outro. Okay, so that's it for this video. I have quite decent products from theirs that I got hands on. I'm so happy that I got hands on their, you know, some of the vital products of theirs, and they do really justify with the quality and pricing. Oh my god, the sale, you need to get hands on this beautiful products going on right there. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up, and I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.